Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Venmo account on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Venmo account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in venmo.com like this and hit enter, or you can simply search of Venmo login like this on the Google itself and hit enter, and you can see the venmo.com share payments on the first result of Google. Click over there, whereas on the first tab we are on the home page of Venmo itself, whereas on the second tab we are on the redirected page or the redirected home page of Google. Now let's close one of these since both of these are same. Now to log into your Venmo account, from over here on the top right corner of your screen you can see the login button available over there. Click on login, and after that you'll be required to enter your email or your mobile or your username over here, which you had registered on Venmo at the time of creating your account. And after that, enter your password over here and click on sign in to log into your Venmo account. Or if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot password to go through a procedure to reset your password. Or if you have not yet created an account on Venmo, simply click on sign up and you'll be able to sign up for a Venmo account. And there guys, this is how you log into your Venmo account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.